Hi you guys, I am Mala. I'm back with another video for you guys, and today's video is my favorite blusher slash cheek tints. So my current 3 favorite cheek tints or blushers are what I'm going to share with you. So first of all, my absolute favorite of all times. This is Benetint by Benefit. This one is the rose tint. It's Benetint Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. I have been in love with this product forever, and I will show you how this looks on my face, but let me read the packaging. Brush 3 strokes on the apples of your cheeks and blend quickly with fingertip. Apply on lips and blend for a deeper pop of color. Repeat. It's the sexiest flush you can get from a bottle, and that is so true. Okay, this is the most natural blusher I have ever used, so I'll show you. I did not put any blusher so far, so I could swatch these for you guys. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. It looks like I just went for a run and just ran 5k and got this blush on my cheeks. But what I usually do is, why 5k? Why not 10k? Why not make it pop a little more? Like they say, repeat for an extra pop of color. And that is what I usually do. But I wanted to show you the supernatural version first. And this is how I usually like to wear it. It's very natural, very beautiful. It completely goes with our warm undertoned skin tones, and love it. My second favorite is another tint. This one is from the Body Shop, and it's called the Body Shop Lip and Cheeks Tint. What am I doing? It's stain, and I was gonna say tint, so I said stint. The Body Shop Lip and Cheek Stain in shade Pink Hibiscus 001. I shall swatch it on the other cheek. Also, you guys, every time you put a blusher or a tint on your cheeks, just merge it in. Make sure it looks natural. Much better. This is more pink and that was more red. You can tell how much I love cheek tints. Dun-dun-dun! Okay, you can compare both of these. They're very similar. It's just that this is slightly more pink and this is slightly more rose. And making it look natural again. Just came back from a really long run, you guys. That's what this is all about. Number 3. Oh, look at this. Hello. Number 3 is also from the Body Shop. This, however, is a stick. So this is the stick. And it's called the Body Shop Lip and Cheek Velvet Stick. It is in the shade number 40. This also is for the lips as well as the cheeks. Now, sadly, I only have 2 cheeks. if I had more, I would have so much more fun wearing all the extra blusher. I will show you what this shade is. It's a beautiful shade, again very natural, but I'm slightly biased towards the liquid tints because I find them effortless to merge and apply. Not that this takes long, it's just comparatively. So those are my 3 current favorite blushers slash tints, and I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Please consider subscribing to my channel because I am making lots of awesome content for you awesome people, and I'm gonna see you next time.